Canada's Bartek Ingredients has been undergoing some major expansion in recent times, including a key upgrade to its HQ at Stony Creek. Pieter Lamers explained some of those core innovations for the business that specialises in malic acids ahead of its appearance at this year's World Confectionery Conference.
Well, first of all, Neill, I would like to compliment you with the very interesting program and also the great lineup of speakers for this confectionery conference. As you said, for Bartek, it will be the first time, and we really are looking forward to this. Well, we expect this conference to provide a platform where we will meet professionals from the industry from a great level of different specialisms. So different industry specialists all gathering together there in Brussels, which I believe will create an excellent platform to engage and to network and discuss and talk about all the challenges that we are facing in the industry. And I said, I really like that you have all these different disciplines there, from strategy making, policy making, to marketeers, technology, regulatory. So all these disciplines together, I think that's an excellent platform.
Our fifth event, we had to do the first one in 2021 online because of the pandemic, and so it's our fourth live one. And last year was celebrating our 90th anniversary as a publisher. So for those that aren't maybe familiar with Bartek, I love the catchline of Malic Mania there. That's great stuff. So can you tell us a bit about the kind of work you do in our industry, that what the extent of your operations is in our sector?
Well, so Bartek has a company which has more than 50 years of experience in the field of acids and of malic acid in particular. Founded by two entrepreneurial business and technologists, as I said, more than 50 years ago. In Ontario, Canada, where the roots are, and with a global presence. And really in that Malic mania, or that mission of Malic niche, a market leader and also, I believe, a front runner, looking at all the different knowledge and the different applications that are with malic acid. And to zoom in a little bit more on these applications in the confectionery industry, acids often are named the hidden workhorses in a confectionery recipe. And a different way is explaining it is that the acidulant that you choose in your recipe really shapes everything in a confectionery product, starting with the sourness or the sour intensity, until the lingering, where it can enhance certain flavors or where it can mask certain flavors. And malic acid in particular actually is the dominant acid natively or naturally present in many fruits. And if you build that in a very correct way, you can optimize your overall recipe. As I said, with flavor, with sourness and with sour intensity, with enhancing or masking certain flavors, and obviously also to set the right pH level, which means you can avoid potential quality problems like sugar inversion in hard-boiled candies, or where you can really set the stage for the optimum process of gelling formation in pectin or in gelatin-based gummies. So that's really what we are looking forward to also to present during this seminar. So I refer to different functionalities and also different aspects of these acids. And we have brought this all together in a platform or in a model where you really can decide, hey, what happens if I start playing with these acids? Hey, if I increase my dosage or if I replace one acid by the other, what will be the impact in the overall recipe? Leading to a more robust recipe and potentially to a more optimized costs in this recipe.
I think you've touched upon it there about one of the key things that malic acid can do, which I hadn't fully appreciated until recently, is in those creation of the sourness notes, which is a massive trend at the moment. So this must be a good period for you, I guess, from your point of view, where consumer trends are really looking for sour flavors in confectionery and snacks, would you say?
Yeah, no, you're perfectly right. So really, the trend to come up with more special flavor or with slightly different flavor impacts here, malic acid really can set the stage in these kind of products. And I said, if you start with choosing the right acid, you can build your whole recipe and your flavor concept around it.
There's been a lot of investment recently in Canada and Ontario, the production site there. How has that gone in the past couple of years? Is that fully operational now?
Yeah, close to be opened even. Very well said. With more than 50 years of experience in malic acid, we also are the company that is going for the next stage in this malic acid, soon opening up a brand new site using the latest technologies and the latest techniques to make malic acid at the highest quality as we always have been used to. And I said also using the expertise that we have in applications in confectionery and sharing that also with the wider industry, like we plan to do during your seminar in Brussels in this September.